Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dremel 4000 is probably one of the most versatile rotary tools on the market, perfect for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike, boasting a powerful motor, a wide range of accessories, and an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. This comprehensive review will explore its capabilities, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your next project. Number 5. Dremel 225-02 Flex Shaft Attachment. Introducing the Dremel 225-02 Flex Shaft Attachment. It gives you the extended reach you need to tackle those hard-to-reach areas with precision and control. This 36-inch shaft provides incredible flexibility. It allows for intricate work on delicate projects, giving you the freedom to create amazing details. It's compatible with a wide range of Dremel rotary tools, ensuring it's a versatile addition to your workshop. Check the model compatibility to see if it works with your tool. Whether you're engraving metal, carving wood, or polishing jewelry, it helps you achieve professional-level results on all your projects. It's perfect for detail work. The integrated shaft lock makes changing accessories quick and easy. This saves you valuable time and effort, allowing you to focus on your project. The Comfort Grip hand piece provides excellent fingertip control. You'll have the precision you need for even the most intricate tasks. What we like. It offers extended reach and control for intricate work. If you need to access tight spaces or work on delicate projects, this is perfect for you. Its compatibility with various Dremel models makes it a versatile addition to your toolkit. What people say. The Comfort Grip is fantastic, allowing me to work for extended periods without any discomfort. The 36-inch long cable provides ample reach, giving me the flexibility to maneuver without feeling restricted. The precision this attachment offers is unmatched. It makes intricate detailing a breeze on metal and other materials. The smaller handpiece feels a lot nicer in the hand and makes engraving and more precise work easier. Number 4. Dremel 4300 Rotary Tool Kit. This is the Dremel 4300 High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. It's the ultimate tool for all your DIY projects. Inside, you'll find the rotary tool itself, 5 attachments, 40 high-quality accessories, and a convenient storage case. Everything you need to get started. It boasts our most powerful motor yet, delivering maximum performance even for the toughest jobs. You'll get consistent results every time. With variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, it provides precise control for various applications. It's perfect for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. The universal chuck accepts all Dremel accessory shank sizes, offering ultimate versatility. Plus, the rotating LED light illuminates your work area, even in hard-to-reach spots. It features an innovative airflow system to keep it cool and quiet during operation. Plus, replaceable brushes extend its lifespan. What we like. This boasts superior power and precision. If you tackle demanding tasks and need consistent performance, this is the one for you. The LED light enhances visibility, ensuring accuracy even in dimly lit areas. What people say. The Dremel tool itself is the toughest handheld plug-in that they offer. More than enough power to address any situation when using the right bit, attachment, for the media that you are working with. Really great product. It has enough power to cut through some hard material, while the speed adjustment allows for more precise cutting. Being able to adjust the speed is essential for control, and the flex shaft makes it easier to work on smaller projects or engraving as you can hold the tool like a pen. I've used it to clean, polish, sharpen tools, carve wood, sand, engrave, do craft work and more. Number 3. Dremel 4000 Rotary Tool Kit. Get ready to explore the Dremel 4000, a versatile rotary tool kit that comes with 2 attachments and 30 accessories. It's perfect for various tasks, from cutting to polishing. It boasts a powerful motor that delivers consistent performance at all speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. This ensures smooth operation even during demanding projects. The innovative airflow system keeps it cool and quiet, preventing overheating for a more comfortable user experience. This is ideal for extended use. With its slim and ergonomic design and 360-degree grip zone, it offers exceptional comfort and control, no matter how long you use it. Separate on-off switch and speed dial give you precise control over speed and power. This ensures you always have the perfect setting for your task. The kit includes 30 versatile accessories for a wide range of applications. From sanding and grinding to cutting and carving, it's ready for any DIY or crafting project. 2 key attachments are also included, a circle cutter straight edge guide and a sanding grinding guide. These expand its capabilities even further. Everything you need is here in one convenient kit. This includes the rotary tool, attachments, accessories, and a storage case for easy organization. What we like. It's a complete kit with various accessories for diverse projects. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for various crafting and DIY tasks, this is the ideal choice. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. What people say. It is truly a time saver on many varying projects. They have so many tool attachments of tons of applications. As a maker, blacksmith, bladesmith, woodworker, crafter, I work with wood, steel, copper, glass, kydex, and leather. Here's the short list of things I have done or plan to do with my Dremel: grind and shape details in metal. Route out, grind and shape openings in wood for knife blade handles or scabbards. Grind, buff coin rings after pressing and shaping them. Polish small areas that other tools can't reach in wood and metal. Drill holes at awkward angles that a normal drill can't reach. Drill grind holes in glass, getting ready to make a vacuum chamber in a large glass jar, and the diamond bits would help immensely with this. Cut outlet holes in drywall or wood. Carve words in wood for a plaque. Polish copper spoons. 5K, 35K RPM is enough for my small projects. The control is pretty solid as well. So far, the 4000 seems to be good for sanding, polishing, small cuts in thinner pieces of material, with the bits included for the 38-piece kit. Number 2. Dremel 4000 Rotary Tool Kit. Get ready to explore the Dremel 4000, a versatile rotary tool kit. It comes with everything you need to start your projects right away. It boasts a powerful motor that delivers consistent performance at all speeds, from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. This ensures smooth operation even on the toughest jobs. The innovative airflow system keeps it cool and quiet, even during extended use. Say goodbye to overheating and noisy operation. With its slim and ergonomic body and 360-degree grip zone, it's comfortable to hold and use for any length of time. You'll appreciate the comfort during those long crafting sessions. Separate on-off switch and speed dial provide precise speed control for every project. Achieve the perfect speed every time with ease. This kit includes 30 versatile accessories for a wide range of applications, from sanding and grinding to cutting and polishing. You'll be ready for any DIY or crafting project. 2 key attachments are included, a circle cutter straight edge guide and a sanding grinding guide. These attachments expand its capabilities even further. The kit includes the Dremel 4000 rotary tool, 2 attachments, 30 accessories, and a convenient storage case. Everything you need is right here, ready to go. What we like. It's a complete kit with various accessories for diverse projects. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for various crafting and DIY tasks, this is the ideal choice. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. What people say. It is truly a time saver on many varying projects. They have so many tool attachments of tons of applications. 5K to 35K RPM is enough for my small projects. The control is pretty solid as well. So far, the 4000 seems to be good for sanding, polishing, small cuts in thinner pieces of material, with the bits included for the 38-piece kit. Number 1. Dremel 4000 Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile tool is designed for precision and control in a variety of applications. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling for extended use. It features a slim and ergonomic body. You'll appreciate the 360-degree grip zone, allowing for improved precision in any position. It's perfect for carving, engraving, routing, grinding, sanding, cutting, cleaning, polishing, and more. The possibilities are endless. This tool maintains consistent power at lower and mid-range speeds thanks to its electronic feedback circuitry. You'll get reliable performance every time. With a replaceable motor brush, it's built to last. Simply replace the brush when needed to extend its life. The conveniently placed on-off switch won't interfere with your grip. This ensures smooth and comfortable operation. What we like. It prioritizes comfort and control during extended use. If you value a comfortable grip and consistent power, especially at lower speeds, this is a great option. The replaceable brushes extend the tool's lifespan, saving you money in the long run. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.